Welcome back to MEME means Make Math Easy. Today I will take an important chapter, limits from 11th, and in this chapter I will take a formula which is very important to solve the many questions. Let's start. What is the question? Question is that prove that limit of function this as x tends to a will be n into a raised to n minus 1. Therefore, we have limit x tends to a of x raised to n minus a raised to n by x minus a. If we put directly x tends to a here, denominator is 0 and numerator also will be 0, and in this condition we cannot find the limit of that function. Therefore, let first x minus a equal to h. Therefore, let x minus a equal to h. Therefore, it will be x equal to a plus h. Here is given x tends to a as x tends to a, and x put the value of x is here. Therefore, x tends to 0. Therefore, h tends to 0. After putting the value of this, we can find the limit of this function. Therefore, limit h tends to 0, and in place of x we have a plus h raised to n minus a raised to n upon, in place of x, if you have a plus h, there will be only h. After that, this depends by the binomial theorem as a binomial expansion. There will be limit h tends to 0 and a plus h will be a raised to n plus, this is the first term, n into a raised to n minus 1 h plus n into n minus 1 upon factorial 2 into a raised to n minus 2 h square, plus again we can write in this part there will be last term h raised to n minus a raised to n, which is given here, and after that we write as h. We observe that here first term is a raised to n and last is given minus a raised to n. Therefore, this and this will be cancelled. Therefore, we write as limit h tends to 0. From this and this term, we will take common h. Therefore, it will be h n a raised to n minus 1 plus n into n minus 1 factorial 2 a raised to n minus 2, and there will be h only plus, and there will be n minus 1 upon h. This h and this h cancel. Therefore, it will be limit h tends to 0 n into a raised to n minus 1, and here will be n into n minus 1 upon factorial 2 a raised to n minus 2 h plus h raised to n minus 1. Now we observe that if h tends to 0, this term will be 0 and this term will be also 0. 0 raised to n minus 1 will be 0 and h this will be 0. Therefore, limit will be n into a raised to n minus 1 plus 0 plus 0. There will be n into a raised to n minus 1. Therefore, limit of this function as x tends to a, n into a raised to n minus 1. Hence, proved. This equal to this. This is the basic formula to solve the algebraic expression, which is found in this form. Note that in this condition, in both place numerator and denominator, here will be minus and minus. With the help of this formula, we can find the many questions. Let's start an example. With the help of this formula, we find the limits. Therefore, question is that limit of x raised to n minus 2 raised to n upon x minus 2 at x tends to 2 is equal to 80 and n belongs to n, then find the value of n. First, in this question, we can find the limit of that function, and after that we can find the value of n by comparing the both sides. Here is 80 is given limits of this function. Therefore, we can find first the limit of that function. Function is given that this form, limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a will be limit n into a raised to n minus 1. Compare this question from this, we can get both are the same. Therefore, here applied directly this formula and find the value this form. Therefore, limit x tends to 2, x raised to n minus 2 raised to n upon x minus 2. Therefore, limit will be from this n into 2, because in place of a is here 2, therefore write 2, n into 2 and raised to n minus 1. Therefore, this is your limit from this condition, and after that this limit is equal to 80. Therefore, there will be write as 5 into 16 and it also will be 2 raised to 4, and therefore it is also be 2 raised to 5 minus 1. Here is given n into 2 raised to n minus 1 equal to this. Compare both sides. N in place of n, here is write 5. Here in place of n, write here 5. Therefore, we can find the value of n comparing on this. Therefore, n equal to 5. N equal to 5. Therefore, the value of n is the 5. This is your complete solution. Thus, today's topic finish. After that, I will take continue some solution of the limits, and you then keep watching continue my video. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos.